Hey TCL crew, today I'm going to show you guys how to detangle matted hair. Natural hair, ladies. I suck at taking care of my hair, and I know it's bad and I know I should take care of it, but I have a lot on my plate between 4 kids, being a wife, a stay-at-home mom, working, owning my own business. I just have a lot on my plate, y'all. So if you would like to see how I detangled all of my juicy curls, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see here, my hair is very tangled because I decided to leave my hair in an updo bun for the longest. Like, I literally hate doing my hair, but I do realize that I have to and I need to do better with taking care of my hair, so that is what we are doing today. I am first detangling as much as I can. I am taking it slow so I won't rip my hair. I am separating it, and when I come to a part that is tangled, I am starting from the ends and working my way up to make sure it is detangled. My hair is wet and I am using conditioner, just regular store-bought conditioner, to help me detangle my hair. Time for a length check. So far, this is how much hair is shedding, and we still have a lot to go. If your hair starts to get dry while you are detangling, just get a spray bottle and add some more water. You always want to detangle on wet hair, because if you just try to detangle on dry hair, you will rip out your hair and damage your hair. I finished detangling my whole head, and this is how much shedding I had, and now it is time for an avocado mask. It's best to start in small sections to make sure all of your hair is covered with the mask and to make sure you get extra detangling in. When detangling, you want to work from the bottom up. So make sure you start at the bottom, comb out any knots or anything, and then work your way up in small sections. As y'all can see, my scalp is very red, and that is because I am extremely tender-headed. So whenever I detangle and do my hair, my scalp gets very red. My curls are looking so juicy and bouncy. All right, so I am finally finished putting my deep conditioner on. So I am going to put a cap on in a bit and let this sit in my hair because my hair is in need of a deep conditioning. So I'm going to let this sit for at least half the day, okay? Do not be like me. Do not be like me. Take care of your hair. I'm gonna show you guys this bowl of hair. This is all of the hair that came on my head after detangling, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh my goodness. When I tell you I've kept my hair in that puff, y'all see my pictures. If you don't know, go to my Instagram page or something. But I'll have my hair like this with the puff and I'll leave it like that for a while, guys. And I know it's bad. Don't judge me, don't judge me. No bueno. No bueno. I know. I will do better, guys. I will do better. I will do better, okay? Don't be like me. Don't be like me. I will do better. I will do better. All right, so I'm going to put these back in the 4 twists and let it sit under the cap. You guys can watch me do that.